So let's continue. Let's start. I've just completed the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe A, B, C before it begin to buy. Meanwhile, I have seen many times where with 2 or 4 with B made a single drop. So it can only be the all the full correction here, then the buying will continue. So, but this is what I'm looking for. Before I will buy. Dow, similar thing. So the DAX, German DAX, similar thing. I'm looking for it to complete a pattern towards 23,100, 23,000, 22,800 zone before the buying will continue. So this pattern is what I'm looking for. 23,150, 22,500, 22,500 area before the buying continues. I will not have to go to Bitcoin to conclude. Bitcoin, um, Bitcoin, just as we made our forecast, is going the way we saw it that it will go. Last 2 weeks, when I made my last analysis, I said that Bitcoin is going towards 95 and below. Indeed, it have gone below 95. Nevertheless, there are chances that it will go down to between 93 to 88. Chances are there that it will come down to 91, 90, 89, or thereabout. Meanwhile, I'll be aware that Bitcoin has not started the bearish move. Bitcoin still have much more to move. Bitcoin is likely going to 150,000 zone. That's where Bitcoin is likely heading to 150,000. But the point is, will you be able to catch the move on time? Or at least Bitcoin will be going towards 140,000 for now. So let me not be too fast. Let me allow it to start the moving before I begin to predict. So now let's focus on when are we going to buy Bitcoin? That's the question. When are we going to buy Bitcoin? Bitcoin will enter this zone. So let me go to 1 hour. Okay. You can see the pattern I draw here. You can see the pattern. Okay. I cannot explain it to you the way you may understand. But it is a possibility pattern it will happen. Not a must. But is the pattern we always see. So whenever a pattern is developing, we will be able to think ahead to know the pattern we are looking at. So what I'm trying to do to say, if this pattern plays out, then I know that Bitcoin will end around 90,000, unless the pattern changes. If it changes, then we follow it again. Meanwhile, Bitcoin can be volatile. It can begin to buy from here and never go down again. So we have the reversal zone which I was somehow shifted due to the pattern it made towards last week. So the main reversal zone starts at 93,477 downwards, down to 88. So will it enter into that reversal zone? I don't know. But from my experience, it will enter it. So the question is, when it enters the reversal zone, where will it conclude the reversal? Well, all I can do for you is that if you are following me, I'll be able to tell you now the buying have started. But for now, I will not be able to do that. So let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, similar thing. Let me go to 4 hours. Ethereum, similar thing. Ethereum, we are looking for it to enter, go below 3,000. Okay. 29, 28, 27. We may see 28 and 27 before Ethereum begin to buy. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin, let me check something. We may, let me check. Litecoin seems to be stronger than Bitcoin and the Ethereum these days, but we may see 88, 81 before it begin to buy again. So unless it goes above 113, if not, expect it to drop again. If Bitcoin and Ethereum is dropping, sure, this will also drop. BNB is equally going down. BNB, I expect it to enter 800 zone, 800, 770, 780, 750 before the buying continues. And maybe here is where I will stop. SRP, let me just do something very simple on SRP. SRP, if we see it, maybe it may go below this place, 2.0, 1.9, 1.8, before the buying continues. Okay, that's for SRP, something like this. Or let me do something more professional. SRP, A, B, C. Okay, that's for SRP. This zone is the zone for reversal for SRP. Okay, that's the end. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you share with your friends, if you want to learn from me, you contact me. I don't charge much. Instead of losing and wasting your money, thinking you can do it, you need to learn. I learned from somebody, so I didn't waste my money doing try your luck. Once I got in touch with Elliott Wave, I forgot about every other trading. But it seems people don't appreciate those who trade Elliott Wave. That's why when I made a video, at the end of the week, I will see 150 views, 120 views, 200 views. But those who use SMC, ICT, and all those stuff that seem to be easy, you see thousands of views. Okay, as you're trading with the SMC, ICT, and others, are you making money? It seems easy, but are you making money? One funny thing is that they always go with 20 pips, 30 pips. What I do with 30 pips? A market will be moving 400 pips, 1,000 pips, and I will go with 30 pips. No, I cannot do that. And it is only the Elliott Wave that knows where the market is going. Only those who understand wave know where the market is going. Others just be following the market. That's what makes it seems to be easy. At the end of the day, only very, very few will be making money. Others will be chasing shadow. But once you understand Elliott Wave, you are good to go. Okay, thank you, and God bless you.